In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the USB device is not recognized on your Windows. So let's get started. So we need to open the device manager. So how can we do that? We just need to make a right click at the start button. Again, it's right click. And here we have to select device manager. Once the device manager window is opened, then here we have to simply locate this universal serial bus controllers. Click on this arrow to expand. Now here we have to simply locate the USB mass storage device. So if you connected your USB device to your Windows, then you will find the USB mass storage device from here. So once you find that, you just need to make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose the latest version, which is obviously the first option, and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, close this, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. For the next method, you need to again go back to the same device manager window, and again you have to look for the USB mass storage device. So once you connected your USB, you'll find that from here. Make a right click, select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Now once you have uninstalled it, do not worry as to how you can reinstall it. You just have to close everything and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. After restarting your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows, and that will fix the issue for you. So you just need to open your File Explorer, and there you will see that the USB will be recognized this time. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.